How to create a Kakao Talk account. So if you want to create a Kakao Talk account, then first of all make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then on the search bar of your apps search for Kakao and open that application, and now accept. So now it will welcome to Kakao Talk, and now to create an account you have to tap on sign up and then agree to all the terms and conditions below, and then tap on agree and continue, and you have to provide your phone number, and after entering your phone number tap on OK. And now if you want to change your mobile number, then you can tap on cancel and change your mobile number. But if you are okay with that, then you can tap on OK and then again tap on OK, and now tap on send verification message, and after that it will send you a code to your mobile number, and then after entering that code you will be ready to create your Kakao account. So that's it guys, that's how you create it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.